to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Kay, and if you're returning, it's nice to see you again. So today we finna do some knotless braids. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, before y'all get started, there's something very important you need to have. The snacks. Because you're going to be sitting for a minute.
You're a beastie.
Y'all gotta make sure y'all got dessert too. Snacks, I had pizza, now it's time for dessert. We making some progress.
Tell them what time.
What time is it? They can't even see it. It's 10:07. Just take our word for it. Basically, we started at like 8.
Yeah, because we kept restarting.
Yeah, we first started at, what time we first started? Like 6 something?
Yeah.
And then we had to do the parts over and we had to take down braids, so.
It was an adventure.
It was. But we getting close. We gonna be done soon. We're gonna do this tomorrow. We're gonna pick it up tomorrow, per usual. Alright. This hair is so nappy. It say anti-tangle.
Hold up, let me show.
Don't get this. Do not, no. I ain't never seen no hair tangle up like this stuff do.
No.
Alright y'all, so I just wanted to kind of explain what I'm doing and how I do my braids. I am not a braider, I'm not a professional, not a hairstylist, but I just wanted to show y'all how I do it. I think the key for knotless braids is to make sure that the hair you're matching isn't, the braiding hair is not thicker than your natural hair. I think that's where a lot of people go wrong. They'll start it off and then they'll add hair and the hair will be way too thick and you can just see exactly where the hair was added. Also, to avoid like that weird transition, I might insert a picture of what I'm talking about. To avoid that, I like to add the hair right away. So I'm gonna try to show y'all what I do. I'm using Shiny Jam, the extra hold. This kind does not flake up. Also, when you blow out your hair, you want to make sure you don't have any product in it because you don't want this to flake up. And, I'm going to show y'all, this is how thick of a piece I'm adding to this section because this section is a little thicker. Alright. So I'm alright, so I'm cross over once, put the hair under. Make sure I'm grabbing it. And then cross over again. Cross over again. And then again. I make sure I hold it as tight as I can. So now that the hair that doesn't, the piece in the middle the piece that doesn't have hair, I'm gonna braid it out a little bit more. Alright, now I'm grabbing the other piece of hair. I'm looping it under and because I was looking at my other braids, I was doing this without looking. And I'm like, it looked like it's a weird transition. So what I did last time, I just braided it down till my hair ends. And then I added another piece of hair. Alright y'all, so once I braided down the length of my natural hair, I'm gonna get a really small piece and add it in again. Alright, so I see that these two pieces are the thinnest compared to this one, so I'm gonna loop that under and braid it down the length of my hair. This hair is so tingly. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all another one towards the front. Alright y'all, we have reached the final braids. Ignore that I'm looking a mess right now. Alright, Shine and Jam extra hold with honey extract. Oh, I might already put some on. Alright, this section is a little bit thick, so I might have not even grabbed enough hair. I'm gonna get about this much, and I'm gonna split this one a little bit. This is gonna be my second piece, and it's gonna be my last. Alright. Oh shoot, I messed up on my part. I could probably fix that later. Or never, don't matter. I'm splitting it into 3. I'm looping under once. Let me make this a little bit smaller. But yeah, I'm gonna loop under once and then I'm gonna add the hair. So 3, loop under once, grab the hair, connect it with the my hair, and then loop over again, and then loop again. The hardest part is making sure your braids are tight enough and making sure that the amount of hair you grab is like the same thickness as your natural hair. But after a while you'll get the hang of it, or you don't, but alright, so I have the piece that doesn't have any hair in the middle. And I'm gonna grab another piece of hair, loop it with that, and start braiding. And also, like, making sure the strands are like the same thickness is also a struggle with doing knotless braids. If your hair is frizzy, just get some Shine and Jam and smooth it down. See that? Smooth. Wait till I learn how to tuck. It's over. Okay, now that I'm done with majority of the length of my hair, I'm gonna add another small piece. Whoa, it's getting tangled. I hate this hair. This stuff gets so tangled. Piece and then just braid. I think like starting it is kind of the hardest part, and making sure it's tight enough and making sure the hair matches. But once you have it started, it gets easier. So yeah. Alright y'all, so usually people will like, you'll see they have scissors and they cut. I don't feel like doing all that, so I'ma just dip it. I boiled some hot water, and y'all can see the smoke coming out. Alright, but I boiled some hot water and I'm just gonna dip my ends. I don't know if y'all need to see this. You don't want to dip it too high up because you don't want your real natural hair to get hot water touching it. I heard that like hot water is can be damaging. So also, ladies, when you're taking a shower, you don't want the water too hot when you're washing your hair. Right? Ooh, this hot. The frizzies are gone. Alright, y'all. I finished yesterday, but I never showed y'all. So here's the results. I love them. I don't know. I might do a middle part, but for now we rocking the side part. I used about two bundles of hair. I hope y'all know what I mean. Like, I use one pack and it comes with 3 bundles of hair, and I only use 2. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. As always, stay safe, stay blessed, practice social distancing, be careful, wash your hands, all that good stuff. See you in my next video. Bye.